Hey, here we go. Going down below. A little bit of a higher entry, but got some nice handrails to grab as you're going through. Oh yeah, this is kind of nice. Yeah, they even left us a beer or two. Some wine in that one.
So kind of low on this side.
Yeah, I was just gonna kind of help gauge the height here.
Yeah.
Using the mirror to get a better idea.
But this harkens back to the Legend 40 back in the 80s. It's big after.
Yeah, it's not bad shape. Cushions are maybe a little bit discolored. Not sure if that'll clean out or not, but doesn't look terrible. Another head forward for the E-berth. That's kind of a different looking shower control.
Oh, wow.
Okay, you gotta remember both these guys are really tall.
Yeah, it's not actually as small as it looks. I got headroom in here. How about that?
Yeah. Was it 6'4" or 6'3" or?
Yeah, it depends on what kind of shoes I'm wearing, I guess. Yeah. 6'4".
Yeah, well, I could be 6'4" with the right heels.
And I could remove the headliner.
You're thinking, yeah. There actually is quite a bit of space in there, isn't there?
Yeah.